You say you're ready,
So,
Ari?
get too much of the background.
Mm.
Bring that pot here, man. My baby go. So now I'll show you for the people. This you've got the nice, what is this? Krabben. T-bone from. Ooh. Yes, sus. Here we go, Ari.
Oops. And let it stew.
Yes, this is
It's hot.
but this is how you braai steak on a hot fire.
Ari spiced it for us.
Mmm. Small girl. Now we're gonna first do that. And that size. They quickly keep the little pot open. That size, yeah. So that steak is gonna be done now.
Mm. You put the pouches on the corner.
If you can see other way, my love. Because why? I already put that on the table.
You know?